In this video, I'll show you how to add a read-only password to a document in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To do this, open up your document, then click Review at the top of the ribbon. Once selected, we're going to look for Restrict Editing. Select this once. A new sidebar will open on the right. From here, we need to tell the Word document to start enforcing protection. So to do this, we first need to select Allow only this type of editing. Then from here, we're going to keep it as No changes, Read only. Then we need to start enforcing protection. So we just select this once. Now this is the important part. If you want to use a password, you need to obviously generate one and write it in. So you can do that now. However, you will need to write this down to ensure it's nice and safe. If you don't, Word will not be able to retrieve that password. So make sure you record it somewhere where you can find it. Once you're happy, click OK. Now that I've enforced protection, this document is set as read only. If I select viewing at the top, I can't edit and I can't review. I can view the file, but I can't make any changes. In the side panel, we can click Stop Protection, but we need to use the password we just generated in order to remove read only. So if I type in that password and click OK, and then go to editing, you'll notice I've got editing and reviewing. If I want to reapply the protection, I simply click Start Enforcing Protection, type in the password once more, and click OK. Now your document is protected by a password and set as read only. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about protecting and managing your documents, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.